Hello and welcome. My name is Melody from Melody Crochet, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the half double crochet through the back loops. Back loop, half double crochet. Basically, it's a great stitch for blankets, sweaters, things like that, where you want a little bit of rib texture but still want it to be kind of drapey. It's really, really nice. So no matter what pattern you're doing this in, you're probably going to be doing it into a row of half double crochets, which is what I've created here. And as a rule, you're going to be turning before you do it. And before you do, you're probably going to chain loosely 1, 2, maybe 3, but I don't think I've seen that. So I'm going to chain 2 and turn my work. Keep in mind, half double crochets have that weird bar. Don't work into that, okay? That's the V that we're talking about. If you're looking at the back, you're going to see the bar, the back of the V. If you turn it upside down like this, well, I guess that's more looking at the top. That's upside down. Right there is the V that we're talking about. So don't work into the chains. This doesn't count as a chain. 1 chain, 2 chains. So this is our first stitch that we're looking at. And you're going to, right there we have this V. You're going to enter the V and go toward the back. But you're not ready yet, because first we have to yarn over, because this is a half double crochet. Yarn over, find your V, insert in the center of the V and toward the back, yarn over, so you'll come out like this. Yarn over, draw up that loop, so you have 3 strands on your hook, yarn over and pull under everything on the hook. So if you've done half double crochet before, you probably noticed it's all exactly the same. It's just where you're putting it. So yarn over, find the next stitch. This is the only difference. Instead of going underneath that entire V, you're entering the center of the V and moving toward the back. Then you yarn over, draw up that loop, and pull under everything on the hook. Let me do a few just to show you without talking, because I know that's a little distracting sometimes. So I'm going to go nice and slow. And there you have it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those down below. Thanks for stopping in, and I'll see you next time with one of Melody Crochet Basics. Bye guys!